Hi, I'm Meli. Today you'll be enjoying a heart-opening yoga class focused on being open and receptive to loving kindness, to yourself, to the ones you love, and the world. Everything starts with you. You cannot love others fully until you love yourself fully. When you practice loving kindness towards yourself, you not only feel good, but you're able to deal with challenging times with more love, peace, and ease. You also build up the inner strength, resilience, and confidence you need to pursue what matters most to you. When you show loving kindness to yourself, you set an example for all those you touch, and you're able to give more of yourself and love others more fully. And from there, a ripple effect releases across the world, elevating all those you touch in your life and beyond. Thich Nhat Hanh explains, the first element of true love is loving kindness. The essence of loving kindness is being able to offer happiness. You can be the sunshine for another person. You can't offer happiness until you have it for yourself. So build a home inside by accepting yourself and learning to love and heal yourself. Learn how to practice mindfulness in such a way that you can create moments of happiness and joy for your own nourishment. Then you have something to offer the other person. How beautiful is that? I just love the idea of building a home inside myself. And that is what yoga provides, an opportunity through breath work and movement to come home to your own unique self and nourish your well-being, mind, body, and spirit. Let's get started. We'll start today's practice in a yin-style forward fold. Come to sit on your mat. If you'd like, you can place a cushion or pillow underneath you for comfort. Extend the legs out in front and let them simply open naturally. Exhale, dip the chin to the chest and round forward. Arms are alongside the body, palms facing up. Deep breath in. Exhale, let your head be heavy, your face be soft. Inhale. Exhale, relax your shoulders, arms, and legs. Inhale. Notice if there's any tension in your body. Exhale, release it. Surrender to gravity in this pose. Let gravity do the work here. All you need to do is simply breathe. As we deepen our breath, we continue to relax our body. As we relax our body, we relax our mind. If any thoughts arise, imagine them drifting away in a cloud. And simply bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale, slowly rise. And we'll settle into hero pose. Kneeling on your mat, knees come to touch, top of your feet are to the earth. Place your hands over your thighs. I invite you to silently set an intention for this practice. My heart is open to an overflow of loving kindness for myself, my loved ones, and the world. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, bend at the elbows for cactus arms. Smile through the chest. Open your heart to an abundance and overflow of love. Inhale, arms up, and we'll take eagle arms. Exhale, right arm under the left. Bend the elbows and wrap your arms around. Option to bring the back of your hands to touch, or wrap your arms a bit further and bring your palms to touch. And we'll switch sides. Exhale, release. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale, left arm under the right. Bend the elbows and wrap your arms around. Exhale, release. Sweep the arms back behind you and interlace the fingers. Inhale, look up, open the chest, open the heart. Exhale, release. Work your way into a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. When you're ready, we'll flow through cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest, open the heart, look up. Exhale, round through the spine, let your head drop, look back between your legs. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale into cow. Exhale into cat. Inhale, smile through the heart. Exhale, round. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, round forward, release. Come back to center. Engage your core. On the next inhale, right leg rises. Engage your quad, flex your foot. When you feel grounded and steady, lift the left arm out in front. Gaze can be down at the earth for balance or just past your fingertips. Keeping the leg up, exhale the arm down. Inhale, bring your right leg to the left, toes to the earth. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch on the right side body. Deep breath. Inhale the leg back up. Exhale it down. Now slowly sway your hips side to side. Come back to center. Engage the core, nice and strong. Inhale, left leg rises. Engage the quad, flex your foot, heel draws to the back. Inhale, lift the right arm out in front. Deep breath. Keeping the leg up. On the next exhale, release the arm down. Inhale, bring the leg to the right, toes to the earth. And exhale, look over your right shoulder as we lengthen through the left side body. Deep breath. Inhale the leg up and center. Exhale it down. Now sway your hips side to side. Come back to center. We'll come into child's pose. Spread your knees wide. Bring your toes to touch behind you. As you exhale, walk the hands out in front, coming to rest the forehead on your mat. Deep breath. What else can you let go of here? On your next exhale, walk the hands to the right. You should feel a nice stretch on your left side body. Forehead is resting on the earth. Deep breath. Come back to center. Exhale, walk the hands to the left. Deep breath. Come back to center. Slowly rise to a tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Curl your toes under. Inhale, lift the hips to the sky. Lengthen from the wrists to the shoulders. Draw the shoulder blades together and reach the tailbone to the sky. If you'd like to bring some movement, sway your hips side to side. Maybe bend one leg and then the other. Create any gentle movements that feel good to you in this moment. Bend the knees and exhale, slowly lower down. Coming back to tabletop, we'll set up for thread the needle. Inhale, right arm reaches straight up to the sky. Exhale, bring the arm down behind your left hand. Lower your right shoulder to the earth, right cheek to the earth. Inhale the left arm overhead and exhale it down and over as you reach for your right hip. Deep breath. And slowly work your way up. And we'll go ahead and switch sides. Inhale, left arm reaches for the sky. Exhale, bring it down, lowering onto your left shoulder. Left cheek to the earth. Inhale the right arm overhead and exhale it down and around as you reach for your left hip. Deep breath. Work your way up and come back to your neutral tabletop. Slowly sway your hips side to side. Deep breaths. Then swing your legs over to one side and come to sit. Extend the legs out in front. Give them a little shake. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold over your legs, reaching the chest to the thighs. Last thing to come down is your head. When you're ready, inhale, rise. Bring the soles of your feet together, coming into butterfly. Inhale, look up, lengthen. Exhale, fold, reaching the chest to the earth. Last thing to come down is your head. Deep breath. Inhale, rise. Bring the knees up, soles of your feet to the earth. Inhale, bring your arms out in front. Exhale, slowly lower onto the earth, one vertebra at a time. Inhale, extend the arms out to a T. We'll come into a gentle spinal twist. Let the knees drop to the right, and exhale, looking over your left shoulder. Option to stay here, or if you'd like to deepen your twist, you can place your right foot above your left knee. Deep breath. When you're ready, we'll go ahead and switch sides. Exhale, knees drop to the left and look over your right shoulder. If you did so on the other side, place your left foot above your right knee to deepen the stretch. Deep breath. Uncross the legs, and we'll come into a reclined butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together and let the knees drop to the side. Now bring the left hand over your heart, right hand on your belly. Notice your chest and belly rising and falling with every breath. See if you can notice your heartbeat. Remember the intention you set for your practice. My heart is open to an overflow of loving kindness for myself, my loved ones, and the world. Coming into our final resting pose, Savasana. Extend the legs, let the feet drop to the sides. Bring the arms alongside your body, palms facing up. Take any small adjustments you need to get fully comfortable. Relax your forehead, relax your cheeks. Let your mouth draw slightly open as you relax your jaw. Take a moment to notice every part of your body that's touching the earth. Let every exhale relax you further. Feel the earth supporting you. Relax every muscle in your body. Relax every cell in your body. Let every breath relax you even deeper, from your head all the way down to your toes. Now I invite you to bring movement back into the body. When you're ready, roll onto one side, the right or the left, whichever you prefer, staying present and truly enjoying this moment. Keeping your eyes closed, work your way up into a comfortable seat. Bring your hands together to heart center. Take a moment to remember your intention. Notice how you feel. Perhaps a bit more calm, more relaxed, more centered and at peace. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you practice. The light within me honors, bows, and loves the light within you. Namaste. Want to go deeper? If you haven't already, sign up to receive my emails by following the link in the video description below. You'll receive more feel-good yoga, meditations, real conversations, and mindfulness resources to live your best life. Plus, insights and updates that I only share via email. Please support free yoga by subscribing. Found this video helpful? Know someone who'd benefit from it? Please share it. Thanks again. See you next week.